Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm currently in Bangkok airport. I'll check out the stores and I'll also go to Chanel to check out their new collection. And I hope that you like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I'm traveling back to Singapore and I will have extra hour here and I'm gonna check out the stores. This airport is quite big and it has so many stores. I'm gonna show you some of the branded stores, and they also have some goodies. For example, these dried fruits. I absolutely love the pineapples and I previously bought quite a few. These ones are low sugar, which is great. There are so many different kinds of these dried fruits and I love them. I always stock up on them whenever I go to Thailand. Different makeup and perfume stores. My favorite brands are here as well. By the way, I went to Chanel Beauty and I asked about my favorite products and they don't have the stock even here. So I asked about them in Singapore in several stores for the past 2 or 3 months. I asked in Phuket airport, there was nothing, and now nothing in Bangkok airport. I really wonder what's the reason of it. I managed to find some alternatives of some of the lipsticks at Hermes and I featured them in my latest haul video. I will add the link to the description box below in case you want to check it out. This airport has a lots of shops. In case you have some spare time here, you will not be bored, that's for sure. By the way, I saw there was a Balenciaga store and it looks empty. I wonder if their sales have declined. I would not buy from them, that's for sure. And here is a small Dior store. I love their scarves. The patterns are so beautiful. I'm getting obsessed with the scarves lately. I got one from Hermes. I will unbox it in my future video as well. LV store is here and I also saw Gucci. I like their decorations, so cute. It's a big store. If I'll have any time left after Chanel, I will go back here and check it out as well. And Bulgari is here too. So many beauties. Of course the price is going to be better because it's tax-free. Their latest price increase was insane. Actually, after 2020, their prices have skyrocketed, especially for the items with diamonds. I heard this is because of the sanctions, but still, the bracelet that I loved has increased by $7,000. It's so much. It's very hard to justify this price. But maybe I will end up getting it eventually after all the items from my wish list, and I have to say my wish list now is quite long. Anyways, my next stop is going to be Chanel because I want to check out their new collection and also I want to check if they have my size here. I saw this red jacket in Singapore on a display and I was wondering if my size will be available here. The shade is so pretty and I like the material. Lots of SLGs, various accessories, and I also saw lots of seasonal bags. Actually, I did not see many classic flaps here available, only a few, which is quite interesting. I saw a lot more in Seoul, South Korea. I will also link down my shopping vlog from Seoul, South Korea in the description box below in case you want to check it out. I love all the shades of red I'm seeing on the bags this season. So beautiful. The colors of the ready-to-wear are absolutely beautiful too. And I'm going to try on a few pieces for sure. I'm curious if they also have my sizes for shoes. I'm going to ask about it. And these bags are quite cute. This shade of red is so pretty. These sling bags are so cute. I always wanted to add a pair in white and black, and I also love the chain decoration. I really love my beige and black sling bags. I wear them so often and I never get tired of them. And the quality is so good. I love them. The sales associate has just come back to me and said that unfortunately these shoes are not available in my size. Oh well, I'll check out some other ones. These loafers are so cute too. They come in different colors and I want to check this in white. It's a cool design and I think they're quite comfortable. I think I would be wearing them quite often. The store is rather big and has a huge choice. It's not crowded as well, which is great. There are a few people, but they're mainly at the bags area and I'm more interested in the shoes and ready to wear. I still love the bags, but I have recently recorded a video where I talked about why I won't buy any classic flaps. I'll link it down for you guys in case you want to check it out. I still love small evening bags though, they are so cute and I don't have many of those in my collection. Unfortunately, the red jacket that I wanted to try earlier is not available. The smallest size is 40, which is way too big for me, but I'm going to try on some other items. Sales associate said that the size 34 is a bit hard to find now. It's quite popular and there are small quantities of it. So the nearest available size is 36 and I got a few items. These trousers are actually in a size 34. The material is quite nice. I love the color and the fabric. I hope that they will fit me. I'll also show to you the style code of it in case you're interested. And also I took this jacket in this beautiful shade of red, burgundy. And it's in a size 36. Here is the style code. I like that the fabric of it is not too thick. I think it's perfect for our weather in Singapore. I can wear it in the aircon places. It's just the right thickness. I just have to see if the size is okay. The next jacket is also in a size 36. I quite like this cut. It's a bit thicker than the other one, but it's also a cropped one. I think it would look quite nice with trousers or jeans. The color is quite pretty. And I also got this colorful jacket. I loved the pattern and I just had to try it on. I actually seen it before on social media and I wanted to come to the store but I never had the time. So at least I can try it on now. I like the thickness of it, it's not too thick, the colors are so interesting and I like the decorations and I think it would also look great with jeans and trousers and even skirts and shorts. Even though the size of this jacket is bigger than what I usually wear, it still looks okay. And of course the sleeves are way too long, they definitely need to be altered. I would shorten them at least by 2 centimeters. I'm really loving this color. I don't have this kind of shade. It's so gorgeous and I think it's quite flattering as well. I'm gonna think about this one. It's beautiful. I like it. The only thing is it's a bit pain to alter it in Singapore, especially that I no longer have a sales associate. So I tried on the trousers with the jacket. And all I like about these trousers are the color and the pattern, and that's pretty much it. I'm not loving the fit, at least with this jacket. I don't want to look like a sack of potatoes, that's for sure. Actually, overall, the cutting of these trousers is not fantastic. It would definitely make you look shapeless and wider than you are. I'm quite disappointed because I was on the hunt for a trousers like that with the same type of pattern. Oh well. Moving on to the next item, also in a size 36, also a size bigger than my original size. I'm not sure how I feel about it, maybe because it's not in my size and the size 34 would be a lot more flattering, or maybe with the different type of jeans or trousers. That's why it's so important to come to the store and try them on in person and see how they look on you. In the past, whenever I couldn't get the size in the stores, I used to get things from my overseas friends, and it was so easy during Carl's time. I knew that as long as I get it in my size, it will be okay. I might alter a little bit, but now the size is so unpredictable with Virginie. You really have to come to the store and see for yourself. Definitely I will not be getting this one, and I hope that the next one would fit much better. This cut is actually nicer. Of course it also has to be altered, it's not in my size. The length of the sleeves is way too long, but it's not too bad. I feel like this color combination would be quite easy to style and it would look great with everything. Although I think I would love it a bit more if it was a bit longer, but it's not too bad. Which jacket did you like the most from this? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. And please stay tuned for my upcoming unboxing from Chanel and Hermes. I'm gonna show you all the items that I have recently purchased. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!